Marriage is a ceremony through which two people are born together. Marriage traditions, customs, ethnic norms, religions, countries, and social classes are different. At the beginning of most wedding ceremonies, the bride and groom wear the ring. The wedding ceremony is held in the presence of the head of the two families. The wedding customs, dress, and customs of each country are in accordance with their traditions. In today's edition of the world famous Amazing Top 10 channel, find out some strange wedding customs from different countries of the world. Panama. Married in 1 minute Panama. Can you imagine how fast the bride and groom can get married? It takes just a minute for a Panamanian sunglasses trip to get married. Surprisingly, it is true that in just 1 minute, this ethnic group recovers from their marriage. At their wedding, the bride and groom's relatives hold two heads in a tight cloth. Then they took the groom in their arms and threw him on the hanging cloth. Shortly after the bridegroom was cast, the bride was brought to the bridegroom's side and seated. Beach as long as they sit like this for a minute, they get married. Fiji. Well, teeth gift to future father-in-law, Fiji. If you want to send a proposal to the girl's house before marriage in Fiji, you have to send a gift to well teeth to the girl's father. Only then did the girl's father consider the pot. That's why Fiji men have to work hard to get married. They must have well teeth in their collection before getting married. If you take a marriage proposal to girl's house, you have to take the whale's teeth with you. However, living at the bottom of the sea, collecting whale teeth is a very impossible task. So many men in Fiji collect these teeth from the black market. China. Crying for a month. China. In our country, when the bride is handed over to the groom, the bride and her family cry. But girls from the Tuiza group in China have to do this for exactly 1 month after marriage. For the first 10 days of the 30 days, the bride weeps. He then joined the bride, her mother. For the next 10 days, the bride's grandmother joined the bride and the bride's mother again. And so a few days before the wedding, all the female members of the family join in the crying. According to the custom, this cry is not a cry of sorrow for them. Rather, it is a cry of deep love and happiness. These guys continue a cry marriage song to make the bride cry. If the bride does not, she and her family become a laughing stock to the villagers. India. Marriage floating in the air, India. A black barnett couple from Maharashtra got married 700 feet above, floating in the air over a canal. Hey, in this strange marriage, there was no mandap and no fireplace. United States. underwater marriage United States. At the All-Power Powers beach in California, USA, underwater married Slovakia's Unikria Pregan and become very popular in the media. And not only that, it was the first underwater wedding in the country. England. Married to the wall, Berlin, England. The presence of the Berlin part with the name Isarita Berlin proves how much he is a fan of the Berlin Wall. In 1979, in front of a number of guests, she married the Berlin Wall, which will forever be remembered by all in the history of the world as a devoted lover. France. In France, newlyweds are fed chocolate and champagne after their wedding reception, which they believe strengthens their relationship the night before their wedding. India. In Assam, India, the winner will be the groom who will be able to present the Gathmala to the bride with the largest number of skulls. South Africa. The parents of the bride and groom brought fire from their home to the newlyweds. With that fire, they set fire to the fireplace of their new home. They start their new life with the kind of fire that they have been accustomed to since childhood. Japan. Japanese brides celebrate peace on their wedding day, where they wear white clothing from head to toe. Even their makeup is whitened. And the reason for this custom is that it is believed that the whiteness of white color is maintained in married life. As a result, married life will be beautiful and happy. Korea. During the wedding in Korea, the groom presents his mother-in-law with a pair of tall smiles. With his gift, the groom expresses his purpose and loyalty to the bride. Philippines. In the Philippines, the bride and groom simultaneously release two pigeons into the sky on their wedding day for the purpose of long, peaceful and rhythmic life. They think that with the pigeon, the misery of their life will go away. So friends, if you like our video today, you must like it. You must comment on which wedding ritual you like the most. Stay well, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.